quickly look at types of triangle. I told you in our previous class that we have three major types of triangle. That is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. That does not mean we don't have other types of triangle. Okay, we'll be looking at this. We'll be looking at more than three types of triangle, these major types of triangle. We have equilateral triangle, we have isosceles triangle, and we have scalene triangle. Is that clear? We equally have acute angled triangle. We have obtuse angled triangle. We equally have right angled triangle. Okay, these are the types of triangle we have. We are starting with equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a type of triangle that has all the three sides to be equal, which means in this type of triangle, all the three sides are equal in length. Do you get it? This is an example. So this means that we have something like this. Okay, the two strokes I gave it means that the three sides are what? Are equal. And each angle of equilateral triangle must be 60 degrees because the sum must be 180 degrees. I told you earlier that when you add up these three angles, you must get 180 degrees. If so, to get one angle of equilateral triangle, you do 180 divided by 3. That will give you 160 because each angle here is equal to each other. Do you get it now? This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, which means here will be 60, 60, 60, and the sides are equal. So this is for equilateral triangle. Let's look at isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, in this type of triangle, only two sides are equal and two base angles are equal as well. Okay, here the two sides are equal. This one is not equal with them. We have two equal what? Two equal base what? Angles. Okay, the base angles are equal and the two adjacent sides are equal. So how do you know that? The one you see something like this. Okay, if we have another one like this, or it can be one. Remember, it must not be two, it can be one. It means that the two sides are equal, and this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay, we equally have scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay, in scalene triangle, none of the sides are equal. Scalene triangle. Okay, here we can have something like this. None of the sides are equal. Do you get it now? And none of the angles are what? Equal. Do you get it? So if this one, let's say, is 9 cm, it must be different from this one. Let's say 7 cm, it must be different from this one. Let's say 3 cm. Okay, this is an example of scalene triangle, and none of the angles, like I told you, are equal. This is just for this. Now remember, we have major three types of triangle, which is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Okay, in our next class, we'll be looking at acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Hope you enjoyed this class. Please, you can drop your question in the comment section. Bye.